Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and on this Sentra we're going to go over how you would replace your high beam headlight on this Sentra. So this has been removed, the bumper's been removed, it's been removed so that we can pull it forward and to have a better visual of what you can reach down to undo. You don't have to remove it. There is enough space to reach in here. This is just so you can see it better. So this is your high beam light. Your low beam's over here, and there's a side marker over there. And so the high beam, we just want to pop this electric connector by both sides. You just kind of pull it open, and then that way we can press the electric connector down and undo it. And then we take this light, we turn it a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, and then you're able to pull the light out. And this is the light that you would get to replace. This light is an H9, and so you would get a new H9 to replace if needs be. And again, you'll slide it in here, and right here about a 45 there is where you want it. Leave it on offset, and then just turn it a 90-degree down to lock it into place. Do your best not to touch the element, and because otherwise that will reduce the life of it. It is good to wear your gloves and have clean gloves and not touch it, because the oils on your hands will damage the light bulb. Right. And then just snap the power connector up there, and that is how you replace your high beam headlight in your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.